Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 23. This is Section 3.2, Problem number 23. It says round 45.098214 to the nearest 100,000th. So what we have to do is identify which digit that 100,000th digit is, and then see if the next digit to the right is big enough to bump it up by 1 or not. So first, which digit is 100,000th? So starting at the decimal, if we go over 1, you have tenths. 1 more to the right is hundredths. 1 more to the right after that is thousandths. 1 more to the right after that is 10,000ths. 1 more to the right after that, which is where we are, that's 100,000ths. So the 1 is in that 100,000ths position. Now, if the digit to the right is not big enough, we'll just eliminate all the other digits and leave it as a 1, which is the case that we have here. If it were a little bit bigger, we would increase by 1 and make it a 2 and eliminate the other digits after. But if the digit to the right is 0 through 4, which is what we have, we just leave it the way it is. So we'll just eliminate the 4 that comes after it, and our final answer for rounded to the nearest 100,000th would be 45.09821.